Hi, congratulations. You have made it to our course Canvas page, so you are already off to a good start. My name is Jessica Steele, and I will be your instructor for the quarter, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. I would like you to spend a few minutes with me as I give you a virtual tour of the course. First, let's check out the syllabus. You can always find the syllabus by clicking on the syllabus button here on the left hand of our Canvas page. Spend a little bit of time this week reading over the syllabus where you're going to find information about our course textbook, active voices, our course policies, and our course schedule as well. So, as you can see here, we will be meeting on campus Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings from 8 to 9:25. We'll be meeting in a computer lab on Mondays and Fridays in Cascade 120. And on Wednesdays, we'll be meeting in a classroom, Cascade 121. My office is actually right across the hall from the lab and the classroom. I'm in Cascade 110, so I'm usually pretty easy to find. I think that the most important policies you're likely to want to know about right away are the grading and attendance policies for the class and how to find out what to do and when to do it. So, while I would like you, and I really want you to be at every class, you will never have your grade lowered because of attendance. I want you to be able to stay home if you or your family are sick or if you have a scheduling conflict that you can't avoid. All of your assignments and instructions will be available online, and while you won't lose points for late work, because the informal assignments and discussions are an important way we're going to learn from each other as a writing community, and also because they're scaffolding for larger projects, I would like you to try to submit all work on time or as close to on time as possible. I practice something called labor based grading in this course. So that means that while I still assign points for completed assignments, if you do the work on time, you'll receive the grade you're working for and feedback from me as well. For informal writes and discussions, that often means that you simply write the required amount of words or paragraphs or responses as long as you do so in the spirit of the assignment. And on formal assignments, you'll have more specific requirements. So, for instance, 4 pages required for a B, or maybe 3 different sources for an A. There are a few reasons why I practice labor based grading. I really value your time and labor, and I want you to be able to take risks in your writing without worrying about your grade. I don't ever want you to be penalized for the difference between your dialect and what some call standard written English. There are also 3 different pathways to passing this class, so please be sure to check those out when you have time and see which one of these different tracks or pathways works best for you. Now, you can find our assignments and the due dates in a number of places. Because I want you to understand your writing assignments in context, linked to assigned readings as well, I would prefer that you navigate the course when you're using Canvas by using the modules via the Home tab. And that's pretty easy to find. It's at the top of the left margin of our Canvas screen. On this page, you will also find a schedule titled the Course Projects and Schedule module. Uh, and you can scan this module to learn about our larger course projects. And you'll also find rubrics and example assignments there as well. After the course projects and schedule module, which you can close so it doesn't busy up your screen, you will find that the assignments and due dates for each week can be found in each week's module. So, for instance, day 1, I will have asked you to complete reading the instructor's notes for students, netiquette, and two chapters actually, out of active voices. And then I'll ask you to post to and write your discussion one, introductions, take a syllabus quiz, which really isn't a quiz, it's just a learning tool to help you understand certain aspects of the syllabus. And I'll ask you to do informal write one. That might seem like a lot, but many of the assignments are short. So don't feel overwhelmed by the number of things that you see in your coming up tasks margin here on the right hand side of your screen. Take a look at those just so you feel comfortable that I don't think any of these things are going to be overwhelming at all. Okay. Before the beginning of the quarter starts, or right when it starts, I would like you to spend a little bit of time with the Start Here module, because here you're going to see videos that will help you understand Canvas, and you'll also get a really helpful list of student resources as well. So, the most important thing I want you to understand about this course, at least for today, is that you will have help. You are not doing this course on your own. You can always email me with any questions or concerns. You can visit the Writing Center and they can help you with your assignments and with Canvas. And of course, we will be meeting 3 times during the week in the mornings, and you'll be able to visit me at my office hours or by appointment as well. I am really looking forward to working with you this quarter. And again, please email me with any questions.